What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Ferris here. Today's video we're going to talk about why Bitcoin just keeps going down, how our predictions were right, and if you guys were listening earlier, you would have profited very, very handsomely. So, anyway, I'm just making sure the stream looks good on my end for you guys to view. I know I haven't streamed in a while, so sorry about that. Been busy in New York working, so I'm back here for a while. I just wanted to give you guys like a little update stream, see what's cracking with everyone, and go from there. So I hope everyone is having a great day. As you guys know, right now the news, the Bitcoin and crypto is this Bitcoin ETF, but it's just a bunch of hoopla. I told you guys, like, expect it to keep going down. It's not going to go down right away, but you can see it's continuing to crash, and I guarantee we'll be getting into about 5,000 very, very shortly in the next about around September, and then into November we might be around the low 5,000s, maybe even lower. We'll see. But regardless, you know, the predictions were right. We made another higher low. Every time it makes a bounce, everyone on CNBC and stuff say, oh, this and that, crypto is going back, this is the bottom, this is the bottom, and this is the bottom. Well, it's never, they always say that. They always say it, and then people always buy it, and it crashes on them. So it's really unfortunate, but it's bleeding. It's bleeding nicely. It's slowly bleeding, not as fast as it was a few months ago, but, you know, it is what it is. If you guys are still short, especially on Ethereum, let me just make sure I can see what we got here. Especially if you're short on Ethereum, you have nothing to worry about. If you're short on Ethereum, we're at 378. Remember, guys, watch the videos. I was calling this short around 780. 780. So you could have made over $400 a coin on Ethereum. $400 a coin on Ethereum in, you know, a little less than 3 months. 3 months. So $400 on your short. Yeah, you had to pay interest, but regardless, if you shorted with $1,000, you could have made at least 100K. Maybe that's exaggerating if you had the balls, but about 50 to 60K. That's using leverage smartly, or wisely, excuse me. But as you guys can see, same type of story. You get these little bounces. They're crap. Everyone says it's going back to the moon again. There's just no volume. That's all you really need to look at, guys. It's very, very simple. The volume tells you everything you need to know. And tell me where Bitcoin's volume has gone. It has just been going lower and lower and lower. Time and time again. Time and time again. I didn't want to make all these streams saying, oh, look, it's dropping, while everyone else is saying this might be the bottom. This might be the bottom, just to get more views, like always. You know, we did have an inverse head and shoulders, which, you know, faked out a lot of people, but it was temporary. You had the run up, and then you had the lower high, the crash lower. Pretty, you know, standard combo there. You can see if we break below this low around 5,900, you can see we're constantly making lower lows. As I said, we're probably going to make a lower low. When I was analyzing this about a few months ago, Alex knows best. When I was analyzing it here back in May, I was going to say we're going to go lower, and we eventually did. And then we bounced up higher, and then we went even lower. I think we're going to go lower than 6,400. I think we're going straight down to about 5,000 to 4,000. And that's where Bitcoin has some value. You can buy Tron coins on Binance, links in the description. Again, there's really no worthwhile investment in cryptocurrency right now. It's a bubble. So we called them months ago, and people are still saying it's bullish. I would wait till it starts rounding out some more. You know, 3 lower highs. You know, 3 lower highs, the money is just not there. You know, why should you invest your money into cryptocurrency, even if you believe in it, if it's not returning value? You have to follow the herd. And I just think there's better money to be made in the stock market. When wet farts itch when they dry. Yep, exactly. That kind of describes Bitcoin to a T. But regardless, again, you know, Ethereum, like I was saying a few months ago, best short because it's the most overvalued, and it ran up like crazy. I mean, if you got the short around 750 when we were calling it 760, where I was originally short, I closed mine around about 500. And you're still short now, fuck, you're making a ton of money. And, you know, that's really, really good. an update on me. You know, with all my crypto earnings, I paid off all my credit card debt, which is awesome. 14K done in 2018. January 1st, 2018, I had about $13,500 to $14,000 in credit card debt, zero as of June. So about 6 months. It was pretty dope. Thanks to my crypto earnings, my shorts, my longs, stock investments, all that good stuff. But regardless, again, I highly suggest if you want to make money trading, trade in the stock market. I mean, you could use JAFX and trade Tesla, and look how volatile Tesla is. I mean, 290 to 379 on these rumors that they're going private. That's what they're confirmed. But regardless, you know, there's money to be made. I just don't think you should not go long in cryptocurrency. I've been, you know, skeptical of this since February. My videos, you know, will say that. But regardless, you could have made a lot of money going short on JAFX.com. A lot. And I hope some of you guys did. And, you know, people are going to say, oh, it's going to be a double bottom right here. It's going to be a double bottom. That's what they said here, double bottom. This is on Ethereum. Again, BTC, double bottom. And then it's going to crash lower and even lower and lower and lower until, you know, the bubble pattern completes itself. So, yeah, again, that's really all I have, you know. It's very simple. You just read the TA. You know how to, you know, make a decision, and it takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Set your risk reward and take the bet. That's really it. CBIS, I heard of that stock before. Oh man, Cannabis Science, that is terrible. Look how bad that company. Yeah, bro, you do not want to trade these penny stocks, man. Those are way too risky. Why would you waste your time on that? Regardless, anyway, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next stream. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update. Thank you for watching. I know we don't have as many viewers as last time, but, you know, I haven't been on about a month. So, anyway, guys, I'll catch you guys later. Hope you guys are still short, making some money. I'll see you guys in the next stream. Peace out.